Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is conversion of time. The main objective of today's learning is to understand how to convert the different units of time. Kids, before starting with the topic, let us discuss the different units of time. Months, weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds. Kids, can you tell me how many seconds are there in 1 minute? There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. As today we are going to discuss how to convert minutes into seconds, we must know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now let's begin with the conversion. Let us take the first example. Convert 6 minutes into seconds. So kids, what is given to us? 6 minutes. And we have to convert it into which unit? In seconds. Kids, can you tell me what is the relationship between minutes and seconds? We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So kids, how many minutes are given to us? 6 minutes. So 6 minutes will have more seconds or less seconds? Yes, more seconds. And more in mathematics means multiply. So if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 6 minutes will be equal to 6 multiplied by 60 seconds. So, when we multiply 60 by 6, we get the answer as 360 seconds. So, kids, when we convert 6 minutes into seconds, we get the answer as 360 seconds. Kids, now let us discuss one more example. Convert 9 minutes into seconds. So, what is given to us? 9 minutes. And we have to convert it into which unit? In seconds. So, what is the relationship between minutes and seconds? We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, how many minutes are given to us? 9 minutes. So, 9 minutes will have more seconds or less seconds? Yes, you are right. More seconds. And more means multiply. So kids, if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 9 minutes will be equal to 9 multiplied by 60 seconds. So when we multiply 60 by 9, we get 540 seconds. So kids, when we convert 9 minutes into seconds, we get the answer as 540 seconds. Now let us solve some more examples on copy. Now kids, let us take the first example. Convert 4 minutes 5 seconds into seconds. First of all kids, we will circle 5 seconds and put a plus sign above it. When we will convert 4 minutes into seconds, we will add this 5 seconds into it. So let us start converting. As we know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we will write over here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Kids, if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 4 minutes will be equal to 4 multiplied by 60 seconds. Let us multiply 60 multiplied by 4. So, 4 zeros are 0. So, we will write over here 0. Now 4 6. Let us pick the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So we will write over here 24. So it is 240 seconds. Now kids, what is left? This 5 seconds is left. So we will add this 5 seconds in 240 seconds. So let us write 5 over here and let us put a plus sign. Now 0 plus 5 is how much? That is 5 itself. Now 4 plus nothing is there, that means 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4 and 2 plus 0 is 2. So it is 245 seconds. So answer is 245 seconds. So kids, when we convert 4 minutes 5 seconds into seconds, we get the answer 245 seconds. Now kids, let us take the next example. Convert 7 minutes 6 seconds into seconds. Kids, again we will circle 6 seconds and write plus sign just above it. Kids, first of all, we will convert 7 minutes into seconds. Then we will add this 6 seconds into it. So, as we know kids, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, we will write over here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 7 minutes will be equal to 7 multiplied by 60 seconds. So kids, let us multiply now. Let us set the number 60 multiplied by 7. So 7 zeros are 0. Now 7 6. Let us speak the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42. So we will write over here 42. So it has become 420 seconds. Now kids, what is left? 6 seconds is left. So we have to add this 6 seconds in 420 seconds. So let us write over here 6 just below 0. And let us put the plus sign. Now 0 plus 6 is how much? That is 6 itself. So 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. And 4 plus 0 is 4 itself. So it is 426 seconds. So answer is equal to 426 seconds. So when we convert 7 minutes 6 seconds into seconds, we get the answer 426 seconds. Now kids, let's recall what we have learnt today. We have discussed how to convert minutes into seconds. For that, we have learnt 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, the first step is to convert minutes into seconds. And then, step 2 is to add the seconds. In this way, we have to convert the minutes into seconds. I hope kids you have understood how to convert the minutes into seconds. Now complete the homework that has been given to you. Thank you.